Hello all, welcome to my channel Revathi in Kitchen. Tunday kebab is a popular Awadi dish from Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. It is made with minced meat mixed with a blend of aromatic spices and herbs. The kebabs are known for the melt in your mouth texture and rich flavors. Tunday kebab is the state food of Uttar Pradesh. It is often served with mint chutney and naan bread. Tunday kebab are traditionally cooked on a skewer over charcoal, giving smoky and charcoal taste. So let's get started. Today I have taken around 700 grams of minced meat and 200 grams of raw papaya with skin. Please don't peel the skin. So chop it into smaller pieces, add it to your mixer jar and grind it to very fine paste and add it with the meat and mix it well and leave it at least for 2 hours. This will make the meat soft. In the meanwhile, we'll prepare other ingredients for the kebab. I have taken 2 large onions fried in ghee. So 1 cup of fried onions, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 2 tablespoons of fried gram flour and 2 tablespoons of galati kebab masala, around 10 numbers of cashew and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Also you can take a pinch of saffron and put it some milk and let it for at least 20 minutes. You can also add that also. First we'll take the onions, fried onions, add it to a mixer jar and without adding water we'll grind it and add it to the meat, and also take the cashews, make it a fine paste. Now we'll add all the ingredients which we have kept, and also we'll add salt and 1 tablespoon of rose water. Now we'll start combining the meat and the masala together. It has to blend very well. You can also use a food processor to mix them. Now after combining them properly, we'll leave it at least for 3 hours. It has to get marinated well. You can also marinate for 4 to 5 hours in refrigerator. After 3 hours of marination, I'm adding 2 teaspoons of maida and 1 egg. This plays a very good binding agent. So add them and combine them well. Now for the smoky flavor, I have taken a small piece of charcoal. We'll heat it. When it starts burning, put it in a bowl and place it in center of the meat, and we'll add some ghee to it, and immediately we'll put a plate and close it so that the charcoal flavor gets infused well in the meat. This gives a very good smoky texture and taste to the meat. So you can leave it at least for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes our meat is ready for the kebabs. You can start making it. Now take a small piece of the meat and flatten it little bit of thin. So now we'll take a pan. In that you can add some oil or ghee for frying. Make small pieces of the meat and keep the flame low to medium and fry until the meat is fully cooked from inside. So friends, our Tunday kebab is ready. Tasty, delicious and very rich in flavors. Kebab is ready. You can serve this kebab with parota. Try this recipe friends. It's a very excellent recipe. So you can try this recipe and comment me in the comment section. Thank you friends for watching this video.